Hey icon, so this is gonna be a different type of video. As you can see, I'm literally recording in my closet, and that's just because I'm getting ready for a holiday gathering and I have a vanity in my closet. But as I was getting dressed, I realized I have another vendor I can share with you guys, so I wanted to share that with you really quick. So this video is sponsored by Cate and Chloe. They were very nice enough to send me these earrings, which are perfect for the holidays. So I wanted to wear them today with my holiday outfit. You guys can't really see because it's so close up. But since I'm going to this holiday gathering, I thought these earrings would be the perfect fit. So they come in this little cute box, and then the earrings are inside. Now, based off of the website, they're an 18 karat white gold. They're gold plated though, because the base says that it's brass. But they're actually really pretty. I'm going to put them on in a second. The name of them are called Ivy Faithful 18 karat gold princess cut CZ crystal, because they are crystals, not diamonds, halo drop earrings. But I want to share these with you guys just because I know a lot of you are asking me about jewelry vendors. And some of you are asking for real jewelry, some of you are asking for a costume. And it looks like, according to their website, they have a mix of both. These earrings actually say they were seen on the Today Show too. So this is a legit vendor. I believe they're based out of California, if I'm not mistaken. So they have this little lever on the back, and then you just hook it onto your earring and close it. So it's not a clip-on. You actually have to have your ears pierced for it, but they're really cute. See? Now, this website, they do sell wholesale and retail. So these earrings that I'm wearing, the Ivy Faithful, they are priced at $150 retail. But you can contact them to purchase wholesale. So according to their website, you would just email them your name, your email address and phone number, your website, your business name, how long you've been in business, and how did you hear about Cate and Chloe, which you can let them know I sent you. And they do offer drop shipping services and online account management, so that's good. You'll definitely want to reach out, and they say that all of their retailers get to see the product first before it's on their website, so that's also nice too. The email is sales@cateandchloe.com, which I'll also put in the description for you guys. But $150 for these earrings are pretty decent considering they look legit. And they're pretty, they're perfect for the holiday time. So even if you guys aren't looking for a wholesale vendor for jewelry, you can still purchase personally since they sell retail and have the perfect holiday jewelry. So now I'm going to go back to getting dressed so that I'm not late.